Okay, 3 enterprise. Now we are going to move on to cover this last portion of coordinate geometry. So this time I'll teach you how to this form equations lah. Okay, I'm going to go straight to the point lah. Okay, I'm going to show you how am I going to do it. Okay, using this one because in AMS I'll be using this. Okay, so equation of AB, step number 1, right? Okay. We will look for the gradient first. So you need 2 points, two information basically. First information is the gradient. Second information is one pair of coordinate which lie on the line itself. So let's do gradient AB first. So gradient AB will be 1 minus maybe 3 over 3 minus negative 2. What's the answer? So on top is 4, right? Below is 5. Okay, so this is the gradient. Now, on the line AB, can you tell me one coordinate which lies on the line AB? So if let's say today we have a line that negative 2, negative 3, okay, so somewhere around here, then you have 3, 1. Turn line over this A, this B. Can you give me one line, one coordinate, convenient one which lies on the line AB? Okay, by now you should know that you can either use B or A. This is the most convenient one. Informations are also given. Okay, so maybe this time I'll use A lah. Okay, so equation of AB y minus y1. What is y1? Negative 3 over x minus x1 equal gradient. Okay, this one is gonna be y plus 3 x plus 2 4 over 5. Now do this cross multiply. Okay, and do the expansion. Minus 7. So this is the equation now. Can? Okay. Now, next. If we were to construct the other line, CD, negative 2, 0, and D, 0, negative 1. Okay. Now, you realize that at these two lines, they will actually intersect. So, at the intersect this point, so the question is, how do you find this point of intersection? So, do you remember in the Sec 2 simultaneous equation, okay, you also learn how to find x and y values when provided with two equations. So basically now, if I were to provide you with this equation AB, then it's going to be 5y equal to 4x minus 7. Then if you go and find this equation of CD, it will be another equation. Then it will look like what? What will it look like? It will look like simultaneous equation, right? Okay. So simultaneous equation, like method 1, we can construct using graph to find the x and y values. Alternatively, just use the substitution or elimination method lah. Okay. So it's the same for coordinate geometry. If we say we draw two lines and what's the intersection point, just perform simultaneous equation. Now next, 9. Sometimes if the equation is provided, okay, you need to be able to find the gradient and y-intercept by observing the equation. So recap, y equal mx plus c. Okay, whereby the coefficient of the y is 1. Positive 1 cannot be negative 1. Okay, so the coefficient of the x will be your gradient and the rest will be your y-intercept. So example, okay, this one okay, you do it by yourself. You pause the video first, you do it by yourself. Okay, then once you finish doing the work, then you pay attention here. So here is y equal to negative 2x plus 3. So immediately what do I want? I want your gradient and I want your y-intercept. So what's your gradient? -2. What's the y-intercept? 3. Okay, have you finished B and C? If you haven't finished, go and do now. Huh? Okay, pause the video first. Okay, if you have finished, then pay attention here. Okay, so for y equal to -x plus 3, y equal to 1/4 x plus 3 over 4. Okay, or I can even write them in this way, x over 4. Okay, so what is your gradient and what is your y-intercept? So is the gradient 4 or -4, or is it -1/4? Yes, the gradient is -1/4. The y-intercept will be on 3 out of 4. So 7y equals to, okay, divide. So as usual, gradient, y-intercept. So what's the gradient? 3, 7, or 3 out of 7? Answer is 3 out of 7. Okay, what's the y-intercept? 2 over 7. Okay, so with this, okay, I want you to apply, so you have learned how to, using gradient and one pair of coordinates on the line, you know how to form the equation. If provided equation, you also know how to identify the gradient and the y-intercept. Using these two strategies, I want to do question 10, okay, 11. 11, you need to draw it out by yourself, okay, do some construction like that. Draw out the Cartesian plane, okay, then find the information. And 12, 13, okay, that's all. Okay.